Most people think that the more peptides you have or take means more results, but BPC-157, TB-500 and GHK-Cu aren't doing more of the same thing. They're handling completely different parts of the repair process, and that's exactly why they work so well together. BPC-157 is your emergency crew. When there's damage, it will help signal new blood vessel growth to that area. It recruits repair cells and it modulates inflammation. It creates the conditions that make healing possible. No blood supply, no repair. BPC-157 solves that problem first. TB-500 works differently. It's associated with cellular movement and tissue regeneration. Think of it as improving the body's ability to distribute repair where it's needed. It supports cell migration, flexibility of tissue, and systemic recovery, which is why people will often describe it as helping the body connect the dots during healing. Instead of acting only at one injury site, TB-500 is believed to support the broader coordination of the repair process. Then we have GHK-Cu operating at an entirely different level. Your body naturally produces GHK-Cu, but levels drop dramatically as we age, and that decline closely mirrors the slowdown in collagen quality, skin resilience, and tissue recovery over time. GHK-Cu doesn't just stimulate collagen production, it also helps to break down the damaged collagen and replace it with more organized, functional tissue. That's the difference between repair and scar tissue. These compounds don't compete, they complement each other. BPC-157 helps establish blood flow and the repair environment. TB-500 helps mobilize and coordinate the recovery across the body, whilst GHK-Cu improves the quality and structure of what gets rebuilt. One prepares the site, one distributes the repair, and one refines the final tissue. Stack them together and you're supporting multiple phases of the healing cascade at the same time. This combination is often referred to as the glow stack, and it's become one of the most discussed peptide protocols in the science and wellness space right now. If you find this useful, hit subscribe. We're breaking down the science behind the most talked about peptides one video at a time.